We've been talking about it for over a year now, the opiate epidemic in the Valley and across Ohio. First News has been following the problem facing law enforcement and health professionals as the number of abuse and overdose cases continues to rise at an alarming rate. Those numbers are staggering. In 2014, Ohio had the second largest number of overdose deaths in the nation. More than 1,000 of them were from heroin alone. The problem even made the national spotlight on a segment of 60 Minutes. The numbers have not been compiled yet for 2015, but there is concern they could be worse. Today, Ohio Attorney General Mike DeWine called an emergency meeting in Columbus of law enforcement and public safety officials to help figure out how to get a handle on this problem. First News reporter Corey Frumkin was sitting in on that meeting. He joins us live now with details on the battle plan. Corey?
And Lauren, good afternoon to you. I'm live here outside of Mount Hernon Baptist Church, which is just to the northeast of downtown Columbus, and multiple law enforcement agencies from across the state. And I'm going to have TJ pan over and show you multiple cars. The parking lot here is filled. About at least 800 people here showed up so far this afternoon for the conference that is going on inside of this church here just to the north and east of the city. Now, the topic of conversation, fighting the drug epidemic in Ohio. Now, the agenda was broken down into different sections, and the audience hearing from multiple law enforcement agencies as well as drug survivors. Now, I spoke with Attorney General Mike DeWine, and he says that law enforcement is starting to look at the opiate epidemic from a holistic point of view.
Law enforcement understands we're not going to arrest our way out of this problem. Now you're seeing sheriff's departments and police departments who are working to get people into treatment, working to keep them in treatment, working on prevention and education.
Now, the meeting here right outside the church is called Ideas That Work, Fighting the Drug Epidemic in Ohio, helped put together by the Attorney General's office. And we're hoping to speak with a few of our local law enforcement agencies here within the next few minutes and have that for you coming up tonight at 5 o'clock. But for right now, reporting live in Columbus, I'm Corey Frumkin for WKBN 27 First News.